Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone meets basics, Android 9 or later, and the Google app updated. This ensures full-screen gestures work reliably. Next, go to System Settings and enable gesture navigation. Make sure you understand the home swipe and back areas. Once done, open Assistant Settings and toggle Google Assistant on, then assign voice match or a shortcut so your assistant responds. This sequence sets system permissions first, because missing one step will block full-screen activation. Now you assign how Google Assistant appears full screen. Open the Google app, tap More, then Settings and Assistant. In Assistant options, select Device or Gestures. Here you enable the full screen trigger. Choose the gesture you prefer, long press Home, swipe up, or squeeze, and set any hold time to prevent accidental launches. Make sure Assistant voice and screen permissions are granted, because missing microphone or overlay access will stop full-screen display from appearing when you trigger it. Finish by testing the gesture. Perform your chosen action and watch Assistant expand full screen. You should see responses and visual cards. If it doesn't, check microphone, display overlay, and background battery optimizations. Those are common blockers, and make sure Assistant is set as the default Assistant app. If problems persist, clear the Google App Cache or reinstall the app, then re-enable gestures. One key tip: reboot after major changes. That often resolves permission or service startup delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.